So we're here at the mall. Hi, Linda.
Hi.
And then that's 3 other people who are not there with us. Yeah. So we want mangoes.
Mango.
Check in here. They usually have some good business.
They're not expensive?
No, they're not that bad.
Okay.
There's quality clothing. Their clothing is the best
I
quality.
got a nice pencil skirt here for
Okay, yeah, I'd like it.
I want food because
We're gonna get mangoes.
but I want something salty. I don't want mango.
Oh, wait, what is that? You want what? What?
You can find something soft. Okay.
Okay, what do you think about like a black or gray pencil skirt with a cardigan?
No cardigan.
Why?
Not me.
Hi, Mirza.
Hello.
You're so salty.
Okay.
We'll start with the pencil skirt.
Give me a wedding.
Long sleeve or short sleeve?
Oh, goody. Short sleeve.
Do you want like a blazer? Or no?
Oh, shoes.
Because like something like that would look cute, I think.
Here, camera, smell this.
Because it adds color. If you did like
Smells
a black
like lemon cookie.
Let's find the skirt first.
I smell like everything.
It smells so good. It smells like a lemon cookie. Doesn't it? Yeah. I like the hat. Let's wear that hat.
Can I eat it?
Here.
No, I'm not gonna eat
Oh. I'm just carrying this around because I don't have a purse. But I would look cute in that. That's the middle one.
That's really cute.
I would look cute in it. Maybe the blue. Oh, I have to wear business clothes to work. No jeans allowed ever, even on casual days. I can pull off. I pull off those pants so good.
Oh, yeah, they are. Are they?
I thought they were like an imprint.
Yeah.
It's raining down my boobies.
It's raining down your boobies.
Follow Linda. Where'd she go? I'm like your personal paparazzi.
Yeah, this is really big.
6.
Yeah, that's big.
Well, I mean, do you like that kind of style?
I'd love to.
We can try Forever 21. Yeah, Forever 21.
Oh God, we'll be in that store forever. You guys love that store way too much.
Let's go. Okay.
No. No. I hate shopping. I did my frowny face because I hate shopping.
You're a girl, Sasha. You should love shopping.
No.
Oh my gosh, we're shopping.
No.
We're shopping.
No.
What are we doing? We're like shopping. We're shopping.
No shopping.
We're shopping.
Like those bad dance from Triangle?
I could pull that off. I have that shirt in purple.
Sasha, we were doing our
It
spaz.
says my battery's low. Here's Lily's spazzy dance. Oh my God, my friends are cute. So here we are. We're
Hello.
going
It is Linda and Sasha. And we are here on a mission.
for mangoes. She had a donut.
Chocolate donut.
We're gonna
Any snacks?
peaches. Maybe on the side of peaches.
Mango. Where are you?
Are they green? What do they look like?
They're like a greenish yellow.
They have slices of them, I think. Look at all that. It's $13.
Is that
No.
really mango? Yes, mango
Here.
chunks.
Well, if we can't find them, we'll come back
Get the real one.
and carve it and eat it in the car.
Oh.
I don't have a knife. Avocados. Oranges. Those are pears.
Pears. That tricked us.
Ooh,
The pears tricked us.
they might be on the other side of the apples. There they are.
Bananas. You see them?
Yes.
Mango.
4 for $5. How do you know what's a good mango?
I don't know.
Do we have to squeeze them?
Oh, my mom knows how to do this.
Should we call her?
Yeah, I'll call
It's
her.
9:30. Should I call? I'll call my mom. Because I haven't talked to my mom all day. I win. I'm dialing first.
Hey, but I want to call my mom. She's sick.
I'm like squeezing all the fruits. My battery's gonna die, but we're gonna go sneak up on my car. Oop.
Don't want to tell her.
We're gonna go sneak up on my car because the girls are still in it, and we're gonna hit the panic button and scare the shit out of them.
Here it is.
That's not my car.
It's not?
Oh shit, that's my car. All right, they can't see us. Here we
We're
go.
next to Honda Accord, by the way.
Here we go. Ready?
Ready, set, go.
The windows are fogged up.
And there's shit in there.
Hi.
There's a cute guy that was.
And you can hear her.